गाइस, आज हमारी लाइफ में इंटरनेट और डिजिटल डिवाइसेस के आ जाने के बाद सब कुछ कितना इजी हो गया है ना। बट हर एक अच्छी चीज के साथ में एक बुरा एस्पेक्ट भी होता है एंड दिस अप्लाइज इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड टू। सो द इंटरनेट हैज ब्रॉट अ बिग पॉजिटिव चेंज टू आवर लाइव्स but also has created a challenge in protecting our data. So guys, this leads to the risk of cyber attacks. Hello and welcome all. In this article, we will discuss the top 5 common types of cyber attacks. So the very first common cyber attack is malware attack. Malware means malicious. अब इन सॉफ्टवेयर्स को ना इस तरह से डिजाइन किया जाता है that they intend to harm your computer by stealing your information, damaging your files and causing other problems. So basically ये एक डिजिटल जर्म के जैसा है which can infect your computer by sneaking in when you click on some suspicious links or even open email attachments from some unknown resources. So एक बार ये आपके कंप्यूटर के अंदर आ गया, then it can do all sort of things and without your permission. There are different types of malware like Trojan, which is like your friend pretending to be nice but not actually is. Then we have spyware, जो कि आपके उस नेबर की तरह है जो आपके घर पर ना सीक्रेटली नजर रखते हैं. And many more types of malware attacks are there. The next cyber scam we see is phishing. So phishing is like when someone pretends to be someone you can easily trust, like the bank or social media sites. Usually it happens online to trick you into giving them your personal information or money. Imagine आपको एक मेल आता है that there is something wrong with your account and it asks to click you to a link to log in and fix the issue. तो आप क्या करोगे? अपने अकाउंट डिटेल्स डाल दोगे? But after some time, you will come to know that your money has been stolen and you will be like, how it happened? The moment you logged in, your username and password was captured by the scammer. So be very cautious and verify the authenticity of emails, messages or websites before sharing any sensitive information. The next attack in the list is DOS, means denial of service attack. So imagine आपका एक छोटा सा शॉप है and there is only one door for the customers to enter. A DOS attack is like having a huge crowd of people suddenly rush to your shop. They block the door in a way making it impossible for any new customer to get in. Now in this case, your shop cannot function because it's too busy dealing with the fake crowd and the real customers can't get in. This similar situation happens when the attacker aims system, server or networks and sends so much of traffic that it makes them run out of power and internet space. Then another attack which can happen is insider threat, and it happens जब किसी कंपनी या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ही कोई एम्प्लॉय अपने पोजीशन और नॉलेज का यूज करके उस कंपनी को हार्म करने की कोशिश करता है. They might do it for various reasons, like wanting to make money, being angry, take revenge, or it can happen even by accident also. So this is a big concern, especially for small businesses, because all their employees have access to a lot of important information of the organization. And the last among the top 5 cyber attacks is MITM, which stands for Man in the Middle Attack. अब नाम से ही पता चल रहा है that there is a person between two persons. So let's try to understand it with a simple example. Imagine आप अपने किसी फ्रेंड के साथ कोई प्राइवेट कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे हो and you trust कि वो कॉन्वर्सेशन ना आप ही दोनों के बीच में रहेगा. Then the man in the middle is someone who secretly but actively meddling in your private conversation, making it not so private anymore. Not only this, they can even try to mess you in your chat. In a similar way, an attacker intercepts a two-party transaction, inserting themselves in the middle. So these were the top 5 common cyber attacks. And if you are eager to know how we can protect these attacks to happen on a personal or professional level, please do let us know in the comment sections below. This was it for this video. If you liked, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.